At number 1, we have the Innova 5610. This is the best OBD2 scanner you can buy on the market and is a feature-rich bidirectional scan tool that excels in providing advanced diagnostics for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its standout feature is its bidirectional control, allowing users to send commands to vehicle systems to test components like fuel pumps, AC clutches, and electronic parking brakes. This capability streamlines diagnostics by enabling direct interaction with the vehicle, making it easier to pinpoint issues and verify repairs. The tool supports a wide range of vehicles, including domestic, Asian, and European models from 1996 onward. It offers enhanced diagnostics for systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine, along with live data streaming that displays real-time performance metrics in text or graph formats. The Innova 5610 also includes advanced functions such as oil light resets, battery initialization, ABS bleeding, and DPF regeneration. These features make it a versatile solution for both routine maintenance and complex repairs. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Innova 5610 features an intuitive interface and a clear color display. It pairs seamlessly with the Repair Solutions 2 app via Bluetooth, providing access to a database of repair solutions and enabling users to save diagnostic reports for future reference. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability for frequent use. What sets the Innova 5610